So we try everything right here. We'll do the 3 times clockwise and counterclockwise 3 times. It's nothing. It's just loading some stuff. Maybe it's trying to download some stuff, but I cannot even move the screen. It's frozen. So what I'm gonna be doing, I leave the key to on, and then I'm pressing hold this button. I'm gonna try to see if I hold it long enough and watch, see if it's going to a reset mode. Hopefully it take me to the reset where I can adjust and reboot the whole screen, because it seemed like the screen is locked up. It's almost 20 seconds, 30 seconds, so I'm just leave it a little bit longer. Maybe it does reset itself. So I'll let it go, and hopefully it take me to the right screen mode. I mean, it came on and everything, but it's just not, you cannot touch it. It needs some sort of calibration. This is just a test, guys. I'm not sure how I do it. I might just touch this too, just in case. Still not doing anything. There's a couple steps you do this, and like I said, I can do this. That's not it. Another way, I'm gonna try it again. I reset it a couple times. I'm turning it back on. I'm gonna try a different way. I'm just do my 5 finger and keep pressing. That ain't doing nothing. So that's the third way of trying to do this, and there's nothing. I need help. So anybody have any information or know any other ways, please let me know. Thank you.